Hey everyone, my name is Elizabeth Dernbach. I'm originally from Oregon. I'll be taking this course mostly from Alaska, except for the first few weeks I am just traveling around. Currently I'm in New Mexico. For the next couple of days I'll be heading back to Arizona. My major is in business administration with a concentration in marketing. Fun thing I've done this semester is just the traveling that I've been doing. I arrived in Arizona just before New Year's, and then my boyfriend and I left a few days after that for a road trip. We've been going to a bunch of national parks in Arizona, Colorado, Utah, and now we're here in New Mexico, heading back to Arizona here soon. Um, anyways, I don't believe I have any questions after doing the video, and I think I like to purchase tickets more from a primary source just because that way I know that they are the real thing, and I don't get cheated out of anything. Every once in a while I'll purchase one from a secondary source. It just kind of depends on what they are and who they're from and stuff like that. So anyways, I'm looking forward to taking this class with all of you, and I will see y'all soon.